we are here in the Philippines with Ate Aurora. She's guiding me to visit my dada.
In Tagsanhan.
Tagsanhan. Yeah.
Tagsanhan.
Tagsanhan. Okay po. I'm having some lunch. I had noodles here near the bus stop. It's like seafood noodles, and then I have some eggs as well. A little snack because I didn't eat breakfast. I just had the orange juice. But this is gonna taste so good. So yeah, cool. Provinces. It's beautiful. We're here in Pagsanan. Just got off the bus. It was like a 3-hour trip. So now we're gonna take a tricycle. Hi Nanay! Kumusta ka? I think we're here. We made it.
Remember?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ano yung nalikutan?
Dada! Hi! Oh, so good to see. Hi. Hi. Kumusta?
Nakita yung dalawa.
Hi.
Kuya Alex. Kuya Alex.
Alex, anong pangalan? Anong pangalan mo?
Kenji.
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 Nice to meet you, Kenji.
Kuya Alex. Hey.
Miss na miss ka niya, Dada!
Oh.
Leo. Nasaan Leo? Si Leo.
Leo, America.
In America.
Yeah.
Soon daw, soon.
Soon. Yeah.
Binata na Dada.
Ano na siya? 27
27 po.
sabi ko na, 27.
Apo.
Lipat po namin.
Dada, I remember being here. Yeah.
Dadala ko yan dito. Tsaka si Joshua. Dadala ko siya dito.
Kaya nga, Dada. Ay nako, basta
Tsaka si Joshua. Remember Joshua?
Joshua, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
You reminds me of Joshua. It looks like Joshua.
Yeah. Hey,
Okay.
Tayo ma, kakain na.
I go inside? Yeah? Hello. Hi. Kumusta ka? Ang pangalan ko Alex. Nanay.
Alma.
Nana Alma. Nice to meet you. Wow. Ulam. Wow.
Talagang diretso kami, Dada? Oo. Nag-prepare ka talaga?
Atom na.
Atom ako.
Talaga ano ka niya? Yasme.
Doon tayo dun. At mainit.
Okay po.
Doon tayo. Mainit.
3 hours pala, Dada.
Ate na yun. Oo.
3 hours pala, Dada. Nag-travel. Ano utang naman?
Ay, alabang lang yan, ha?
Oo nga.
Alabang lang yan.
Oh, tilapia? Wow. Tilapia.
Ay! Tilapia daw!
Tilapia!
Yeah, tilapia.
Oh my God!
Woohoo. Salamat.
Ay, natuwa naman. You feel like you're back
Yeah.
own home.
Yeah. I remember being here.
Talaga?
Yeah. I think this is the place.
Ay,
Sana ka mo ka dumating.
ay, sabi ko kasi ni Dada may pagbasa daw pa maraming tao.
Yeah.
Ay, pangit. No.
Yeah.
Parang nakatikim siya ng mga ibang handa. Well, natira lang yung tilapia para sa kanya. Talagang ubus eh.
Marami pong bisita.
Ang daming bumasa.
I used to come here as a kid.
For the Lola there? Ay,
Yeah. Hi Lola. Kumusta ka? Ano po?
speak Tagalog, no?
Konti lang po.
Konti lang.
Oo po. Anong pangalan po na?
Susan.
Tita Susan.
Tita Susan.
Nice to meet you. Ikinagagala kitang makilala, Tita Susan.
Ano pangalan?
Alex po.
Alex?
Opo.
Oh.
Yeah, first time in the Philippines.
Oh.
Yeah.
How long?
Couple days po. Couple more days. 7 more days. Opo. I leave soon.
Sandali lang.
Yeah, konti. Yeah. Short vacation. Short vacation po.
Short.
Opo.
Hindi nakapunta ka dito sa amin. Hinanap ko si Dada.
Yeah, just to see Dada, yeah. Dada took care of me. Yeah, when I was little.
I know.
Yeah. Okay po, salamat.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sige.
Reminisce ka?
Ano po?
Reminiscing?
Yeah, I'm
place.
trying to remember. I remember the green door. The green door, and I know there's back there.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Ang dami.
Yeah, your
You
nephew.
remember?
Nephew.
Dati, mas matangkad pa ako kay Alex.
No, I don't remember. Sorry, bro. But
Pictures?
I just have one picture of me and Dada. One picture, yeah. Is this sinigang? Look. Yeah.
Nice lang. Sabi niya, I'm thinking of Dada's sinigang.
Yeah.
Mahilig niya sa kalamansi. Kumakain niya ng kalamansi. Hindi malag nangibit.
Yeah.
Yan, naalala ko siya.
At saka mango.
Love ka talaga ni Dada.
Oh, it's not it.
Yeah, ready?
Dada, sabayan mo kami.
Oh man, I'm so excited to eat her food again. Oh, she made so many. Look, we have tilapia. I think this is lumpia. Rice, of course, and sinigang. Oh, I'm so excited. Kain tayo.
Tulog sa bus.
That I remember pancit canton.
Remember? Yeah. Like pancit canton?
Yeah, you cook pancit canton for me all the time. This is for you, Dada.
Wow!
Isang regalo.
Mula sa puso.
Yeah, from puso ko.
Wow! Thank you. Wow!
Pareho.
Thank you.
Paano kay pareho Dada?
Pareho po, pareho.
Wow!
Dada, may
Mas maganda?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, of course, Dada.
Dada, parang I think she has note with you.
Yeah, note po. Yeah, note. Eto.
Oh, may note.
English at saka Tagalog.
Really?
Yeah. Konti lang Tagalog daw.
Yeah. Hello po, Dada. Miss kita. Kita ng sobra. Maraming salamat sa pag-alaga sa akin.
Okay, ate, I think you might have to translate.
I'm sorry to have heard you as my guardian angel. Thank you for sharing me love, respect, and strength.
Maglaka.
Thank you for feeding, clothing me, and giving me hope. And thank you for your helping me believe in God. Masaya ako at see you again.
Yeah.
I see you, Alex. Yeah. Dada. Thank you for helping me grow.
Yeah. Huh?
Ka?
Maraming salamat, Dada.
Dada.
Oh, eto.
Talaga nagpupumilis naman talaga sa sabi niya sa akin kanina.
Masaya
pareho
ako.
daw kayo.
Masaya. Lalong masaya si Dada.
Mas masaya daw si Dada.
Ah.
He's more happier than you. He's more happy.
Long on you.
Oh, what's that?
Tilapia.
Tilapia.
Tilapia. Wow. First jeepney ride in the Philippines. Pretty crazy. Wow. Grabe.
Asan po? Ay, grabe. You know what is grabe? Oh, okay, dito.
Gonna get some halo halo. Some authentic Filipino halo halo.
Asan ba?
Halo. Masarap.
Masarap po.
Masarap. Delicious.
Delicioso.
Yummy.
Yum 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 yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Halo. This looks amazing. I'm excited. Elvira's halo halo. Okay, first bite.
Fight.
First bite. How does it? Oh, wait. Okay, go.
Okay. Yum 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 yum. Masarap. We're gonna say goodbye to Dada. It was so amazing to see her. Oh man, so sweet.
Okay.
Oh.
Kailan dito?
Love you po. Miss na kita.
Ay, Dada, makikihingi ako.
Okay.
I'll take a cigarette.
Yeah. Goodbye to this home that I was raised in. Means a lot to me. You want to say hi, Nanay? Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay. All right. It was a great day. Great day.